On the banks of the Indus River in modern day Pakistan, one of the world's earliest civilizations grew and flourished between c. 2700 and 1750 BC. It was centered on the cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, each of which contained up to 40,000 people. Large public buildings, built of mud bricks, show that the civilization was prosperous. We know little about the day to day life of Indus Valley citizens, except that they traded with Sumeria and may have practiced an early form of Hinduism. Their civilization mysteriously collapsed after 1750 BC. This may have been due to invasions or the river Indus changing its course. Indus Valley cities were planned and built on a grid pattern. They had broad main roads and narrow lanes. Drains carried away the household waste. All the houses were built around central courtyards. During the day, people lived and worked in these courtyards. Some scholars think that the Indus Valley people used the granary rather like a bank. It was a secure store of wealth for the merchants and rulers of the city. The bathhouse was one of Mohenjo-daro's biggest and most important buildings. The central bath may have been used for religious purposes, such as the ritual cleansing before ceremonies. A stupa or Buddhist shrine was built much more recently than the ancient city of Mohenjo-daro. The original main temple of the Indus Valley people may be hidden beneath the stupa's mound. Like most ancient civilizations, the Indus Valley people developed a system of weights and measures. This meant trade became easier and also that goods could be valued for tax purposes. Archaeologists have found stone seals in a script unlike any other ancient form of writing. When long texts are found, scholars can often decipher them. But the Indus Valley inscriptions are very short, so their meaning remains a mystery. The Indus people used seals to show ownership. Each seal is carved with the image of an animal, such as a unicorn, and an inscription. Little is known about the Indus religion. The importance of water, shown by the existence of the bathhouse, has led some scholars to link it with later Hinduism. Various statues have been found that may represent gods and goddesses. Most of the statuettes found in the Indus cities have headdresses and jewelry showing they were probably goddess figures. This teotite statue was the most famous object found at Mohenjo-daro. It has a serene expression that suggests it might be a statue of a priest or one of the Indus Valley gods. Indus people were skilled potters and metal workers. They made fine painted vessels, terracotta statues, and beautiful gold jewelry. They also learned how to blend copper and tin to produce bronze. This wonder is a World Heritage. Mohenjo-daro is the civilized history of the human race, and this site has lot of mysteries buried which further needs to be explored.